Not in Bangalore.
Except in this case when I've been reloading.
Good afternoon. Talking on behalf of a brokerage firm, it becomes a little, probably a little dull. I can't see what I can do. We started in 1995 when NSE opened membership outside Bombay, and yeah, so we've been a broker since then. I'm a chartered accountant and was in practice earlier. Then I felt that NSE starting online trading, so at that time we took the membership and we started. We have we 3 directors on the board. We've been the same directors for the last 19 years. One of them is a cricketer. Anybody, the Test cricket, his name is Brijesh Patel. So he is one of the promoter directors of the company. He is currently in Bangalore, the secretary for the Karnataka State Cricket Association. And he is also the CEO for Royal Challengers. This same director over the years just means that, okay, it's a stable company and there will be no major changes. That was the intention. We've had no compliance issues or complaints in the last 19 years. Actually, we never had to go before the NSE arbitration and whatever. We've never had such issues. It's probably because we are a little conservative. And we have been trading, we've seen the entire trading cycle of what NSE used to initially have a 5-day settlement, hardly any margins being collected, physical delivery, sorting those deliveries, sending it to Bombay, having an office in Bombay, receiving those deliveries, bad deliveries. So the first 5 to 6 years was really tough. You never accepted a client who you did not know or were referred by somebody. Now you take clients just looking at KYC. Previously you needed to know the client, otherwise it was, and the client needed to know the broker. Now, okay, it's not so important, both ways. We are a member of all the exchanges, including both the commodity exchanges, the main MCX and SDX. We've been a full-service broker for a number of years, and about 2 years back we decided that discount broking is something that's going to catch on, and so we launched the discount broking segment. So we still continue with the full service brokerage, and we also have discount broking as an arm of that. Under that, we offer 18 rupees per order, and after 1,000 orders, you automatically come down to 15 rupees. You don't need to do anything for that. It automatically, after 1,000 hours, the software automatically starts charging you 50 rupees.
Is it 1,000 per year?
No. It's once you do 1,000, that is, once we earn 18,000 rupees, you will go into the next.
So even in future, from 1,001 onwards, whatever trade, whichever year,
it's 15. Yeah. Then we charge for smaller orders. Let's say the 1 lot Nifty. It was not. We charge 0.006. So that means around say 12 to 13 rupees even for. So even for cash market, let's say your average order size is about 1 lakh, and it lands up with just 6 rupees. We also offer cover orders. Our margins are the lowest on cover orders for futures. Maybe not on the indices, but on futures, stock futures, we are the lowest. I think we give 28 times exposure to the spot. We collect just 40.5% margin. We have our own DP. Clients can open a DP account with ILFS too if they want to. We insist that the client open, in case he wants to do delivery trade, we insist that the client open a DP account with us. We have a referral program wherein clients can refer customers and we pass back a referral commission. The commission can be withdrawn at any point of time from your back office software. You also have a viewing, you can actually view the commission that you are earning on your referrals. We have put in servers at NetMagic. Our software that we are using is from Omnisys. The connectivity, the servers and all that are managed by Omnisys and now Reuters. It's the best that currently any broker can offer. We don't have currently BSC on this, but we have NSE and MCX on this platform. We also have the Now terminal running, which wherein you have both NSE, BSC, NCDX, and in this you have only the MCX and NSE. We also, if you have a strategy, we also give you APIs. You can use the APIs to integrate your strategy onto our trading server.
Is it through Nest?
This API currently, yes, it can be through Nest, or it can be, we have another setup which is with Symphony. The Symphony software is also, again, the servers are hosted in Bombay. The servers are managed by Symphony, basically because that's an algo trading platform. In that algo trading platform, the since algo trading is something new, the entire support for the algo trading is given by Symphony. So we don't get into the support as far as the Symphony servers are concerned.
Where does the logic sit? It sits at our end?
It depends how you want it. It depends on, if you don't want to share your logic on an outside server, you can host it on your machine itself.
Okay.
It can get connected through the...
So we just push in the trades?
Yes, it just pushes the trades. Yeah.
Or should we have our logic sitting there?
No. What happens is Symphony will give you their Presto software, which will reside on your machine. The Presto machine will speak to the server. So your AMI broker, if it's residing on your machine, whatever triggers come on the AMI broker will get recognized by Presto and then send it to the server for execution. currently we have both the Nest and the Symphony platform. We are currently, for AmiBroker integration, we are currently offering Symphony. That's because Symphony has worked extensively on integrating AmiBroker to their platform. They have certain execution strategies which help you in managing your orders. Once it exits from AmiBroker, you lose control over that order. So let's say your order is triggered and the order doesn't execute. Now you either want to modify it or you want to kill it. Now let's say you want to modify it, you can set parameters which will modify it by the tick size that you want it to modify. So you could set it at 50 paisa, you could set it at 1 rupee, and you could also set a time frame for modification. So let's say the order gets triggered at 7,100. It could wait for 10 seconds and make it 7,101, then 7,102. And then if it still doesn't come, it can just kill the order. You can also see, when an order gets triggered from AmiBroker, you want it to buy within a range. You don't want it to just buy. You could buy way beyond what your target price is. So you could set a range wherein, let's say for Nifty, you could set a 10-point range. So when it gets triggered, it will buy within the 10 points. So if you set it, it will not buy beyond the 10 points. If it goes beyond that, it won't buy.
You do it for commodity also?
We haven't yet launched it for commodity.
And you have arm in Bombay, Mumbai?
See?
Mumbai arm is there. This is a Bangalore-based company, right?
Yeah, Bangalore-based company. No, we don't have an office, but the Symphony, where our servers are situated, is actually in just above Symphony's office on a sister concern of theirs called Content. So, whatever support you want in Bombay as far as automated trading is concerned, Symphony will be able to handle it. We are working on integrating MT4 again onto the Symphony platform. It's because it's an algo trading platform. Work is still in progress. We'll have to see. Excel is already integrated onto Symphony, and your Excel triggers can be recognized by Symphony, and it can immediately trigger an order or a trade. They also have an integration with Spider software, and again there also you could integrate it. You have also integrated with Traders Cockpit, which I think Traders Cockpit is a phenomenal tool, and with that tool, the orders that are generated by Traders Cockpit will automatically trigger a buy or a sell on the Symphony platform. We have bracket orders, we have trailing stop loss, we have profit target slicing up to 4 levels. So you could, once an order has been traded, you could have 4 levels of exits based on your requirement. You could have orders which can be timer based. So you could decide that the order can enter at 9:30. You could combine it with a particular trigger. You could have the orders extinguished at 3:20, squared off at 3:20 automatically. There is also a paper trading server which replicates the main trading server. The paper trading server is fed with live data from the paper trading, from the lease line from NSE. So you can back test, but you can also forward test. You back testing is one thing, and then you can also try and see that whatever you have built actually works in the live market without actually going live. So that is also possible. The server has the same configuration as the live market server, so it should give you more or less the same results that you get in a live environment. We also have this terminal is also available as a manual trading terminal. So whatever is possible here can be first used for your manual orders. Once you are satisfied with it, you can then go live on the automatic side. Otherwise, you can still be manual order. Mirror trading is something which is pretty common. Now here on our platform you can mirror your trades. You have a strategy which works well for you. How do you get a following? You can only get a following if, and let's say you get a following, you are able to get a following. Now once you get a following, how do you actually trade it? So if you have a strategy, you can actually map your clients onto that strategy or multiple strategies. Let's say you have 2 or 3 strategies. One is, let's say, one is an intraday strategy, one is a carry forward strategy. There are certain people who are not very comfortable with an intraday, probably the drawdowns are not so, they don't want to take so much of a drawdown. Then you can have multiple strategies, have clients mapped onto that, and it will execute the orders in preset limits for all the clients who are mapped on that strategy. So it's a way of, if you have a good strategy, it's a good way of attracting clients. The benefit for the person who is being followed is basically you can have a private arrangement with your clients wherein you can charge a monthly fee, or you could have an arrangement with us wherein we charge a certain brokerage, and we could have a fastback arrangement wherein you get a fastback on the brokerage that we are on clients that you get. So this to try and promote this, we had a contest jointly with MBO actually. It was from 1st of June to 31st of July, and the conditions were that you have to have 50 trades, and the highest ROI, return on investment, over this period was judged the winner. We had a chartered accountant firm who actually judged the winners. So we have 3 winners. I think they'll be announced tomorrow. So basically, this idea was that if we can try and promote this mirror trade concept, it of course helps us because we get more clients onto that, more trades, but also allows a person who has a strategy to not just trade with his own money, but also have other people putting in the money without any legal issues. It will be simultaneous. It will be simultaneous, it will be on that client's code. So you're not doing it on your own. You don't need a PMS license for it. It will punch in, those many orders will go together. So you need to do this order management. Like, you need to give the Nifty, maybe everybody will not get it at the same price. But you can give a range, like 1 rupee range, 1 rupee 50 paisa range. So within that range it will execute.
So Satish, this is like on the website, how do clients know about different strategies?
You do not have to share your strategy with the
No,
clients.
not the details, but like the performance strategy.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Do clients get to see the performance of the strategy and they can choose where they want to mirror?
Not yet.
Okay.
The one is the strategy provider should be willing to do that. We are trying to get the strategy providers to actually do it. So it's something new. So the strategy providers are also a little going slow on this, but it is very much doable.
This is popular in the MD4 platforms.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. It is very popular in the MD4. Yes. That's because there are some excellent reports on the performance of the strategies. Now here we have to build it. I mean, the person who has the strategy has to actually give those performance reports. That's when you can get a following. But then it can also help a person who already has a following of, let's say, 20, 30 clients. Instead of actually trying to trade all of that, and you can do it. Yeah, you can do it together. We also introduced this assisted auto trade. This if you have on Nest, you can connect the AmiBroker. Now, once you connect it, there are plenty of clients who don't have a strategy. But and they're not interested, they don't have the time to actually sit and develop a strategy, or they don't even have the knowledge to try and build their own strategy. So we get a lot of inquiries from people saying that, do you have a strategy? So I said, no, we don't have a strategy. So they said, do you know anybody who has a strategy? I said, yeah, we know people who have a strategy. So they said, why don't you introduce me to them? I'll trade on that strategy. I said, why will he give you the strategy? So he said, you arrive at some mechanism wherein I can trade on that trigger, and I don't need to know the strategy. So I spoke to one person and he said, yeah, no problem, I will give the strategy. So he's built the strategy on AmiBroker, and then I'm not a software guy, so he's done some DLL files, so it's pretty safe. So he can put, if you have an AmiBroker, he'll load that strategy onto your AmiBroker, and the triggers that come can be traded by the client. So all he has to do is wait for the trigger, he start when to click, and he can trade. So this we call as assisted auto trade, wherein he doesn't need to really sit and trade. But if he is able to get a return, and one thing is extremely transparent. So for a call giver who's actually giving a call, he doesn't take the responsibility for the trade. And the timing, so what happens is he says you need to trade everything, and he says that you have to trade it immediately. Now you receive an SMS and you're somewhere, it's not possible. With this you can actually have somebody else in the house or office or wherever to sit and, okay, this trigger comes, you do this. Slowly catching on, and the only thing is we need a variety of strategy providers, and clients need to have patience. You don't really, you can't decide in a month that, okay, this doesn't work, which is again where the client, it doesn't work, 3 days it doesn't work, he says it doesn't work. So all that we need to sort of. We also trying to build a set of tools which can connect to the trading platform. These are tools which are required by traders, by clients who can make use of it to make informed entries. So we are talking to different domain experts who are experts in their field, and try to have that integrated onto our trading platform, so that clients can use those services of those domain experts, but use our trading platform to trade. And as working towards that, we have tied up with Traders Cockpit, so you can scan your triggers on Traders Cockpit. You can use all the facilities there, and ultimately, if you want to actually trade it, you can trade it. Post my talk, I think Amit will give a demonstration about how that works. We also have a tie-up with NeoTrade Analytics, another co-sponsor here. We have a help desk with online chat, telephone, email support. Clients get an escalation matrix at the time of opening an account, who you can contact if there is a problem and all that. We are also launching a ticketing-based system, so that you get a ticket and you are able to we are able to resolve that issue much faster. We are creating a knowledge forum which covers various topics with a question and answer after each topic. So again, this is something that clients have been asking us, wherein they want certain, mostly we've had it from the income tax angle, wherein people have said that what is this, how do I calculate my short-term capital gain, long-term capital gain, can I use my STD as a credit against the tax, can I use, am I a speculator, if I'm doing derivatives, can I treat it as business income, can I treat the loss as a business loss? So, working towards that, we have a chartered accountant firm who is actually going to answer those questions rather than a broker answering the questions. We also want this knowledge forum to be handled by experts in their respective fields. So, if we have a strategic tie-up with somebody, we will give that forum access to that strategic provider, so that any issues which are technical in nature, which cannot be handled by the broker, will be handled by that strategic provider. So that way we stick to our core business, and anything that is more technical in nature can be handled by that respective domain expert. The way SEBI has for auto trading, there are, it's not something that is very easy. You need to get your strategy approved by the exchange, and then only you can go live with your strategy. You cannot use your strategy without it being approved by the exchange. So that's a process which we help with. So if you have a strategy which you like approved at the exchange, you can work towards it and get it approved at the exchange. We have some special offers with Traders Cockpit and NeoTrade Analytics. So we We accept stocks as margin for F&O, but restricted to 50%. We have online fund transfers. We give you a back office software access which is provided by Omnisys Reuters. We also are outsourcing the back office to ILFS. So ILFS will be handling the back office. It's more from the question of one is for us it frees us from the routine jobs of sending contract notes, sending reports, handling the back office software. So it will now be handled by, it will shortly be handled by ILFS. So it also adds a credibility factor onto the whole thing that we have outsourced the back office, so you're more comfortable. Yeah, that's it. Any questions or any suggestions? That Amit will show you the practice. Thank you.
Now, there is a deadline of 4 p.m. today, in which they will not be able to make airport transfers, airport or train or bus transfers out of Goa. So, I request you to please populate this sheet, and in case anybody does not have this link, I have sent it on Twitter, I have sent it on the Google Groups email list. So if anybody does not have this link yet, please contact me immediately. 4 o'clock is the deadline today for this airport transport facility. Any questions?
Just quickly, in a couple of minutes, we'll just run through what we do, who we are. Traders Cockpit is a cloud-based data analytics software which helps traders like you to take any trading decisions, right? So let it be from a charts, screener, backtesting tools to algo trade. We have everything under one platform, right? So data, everything we have secure data from MSC. So you can create your screeners, whatever you have done yesterday, we try to run quick screeners for that. Let it be a moving average crossover or Ichimoku or anything, right? You can backtest your trading system, come to know like whether it works or whether it doesn't work, right? And all those things are all integrated with SMS and email. So theoretically, you don't have to open the system again, right? Whenever you get an alert, just verify it. And the best part is you don't have to write any single line of code for doing all these things. It's not like other software may have to write some code, here everything is abstracted out. You don't have to write code. Just a quick introduction about us. Anurag takes care of business development, education division. I think most of you know Jenny from IIT Chennai, and he's a CMP also. I take care of the product development and Traders Cockpit and the technology. Just quickly, like as I told, the tools for informed people like who know technicals or fundamental or quant, it's like you just give a quick demo how you can use it and configure your systems, and then it gives you complete freedom. We also have a strategy building and backtesting platform where you can create. Shiva created that flow chart of what it takes to design a system, and then backtest, then paper trade. So whole cycle you can do it here. You first design a system, backtest, then optimize, then do paper trading, and then one day you can make it back. So all those things are possible. Differentiation is no need of time. So this is a trademark solution called Strategy Labs. This is which we will try to demonstrate how it can be like once your strategy is running, you can also do algo trading. Like with Composite, we have done that integration with Symphony, and we are also working with Nest. So it doesn't matter. So it will work with both the things. People who want to learn technicals and strategy building and all, we also have our education services. Right, so I'll just quickly go through the demo now. idea is we are trying to connect strategy writers to strategy consumers, right? Because we have those sort of people on our platform, and we will have other people who who can sell or share the strategies other people.
And we have seen the achievements which we have got. We became among the top 2,000 websites of India of all types. Google is #1, Facebook is #2. We are 1,700 somewhere. So we have become #1 technical portal site. And these are the awards we won. I think one I was telling the last one that we have participated in last ECI I was telling. So we won that award, and this is the whatever. So we are recognized in the okay. So these are the awards we won. TechSpark, Snapchat, we won all these awards. So now we just just take you to the various demo. Now the screens are little but we are also available post now for all detailed demos, but this will just run through a basic look of all the things. Then you can choose and pick and whatever interests you, because we are building something like encyclopedia of technical access tools. So basically from options to everything, backlisting, basically we are bringing everything. So whichever intrigues you more, probably you can spend more time one-to-one.
So this is a concept of a screener. It works for all the time frames, from an intraday time frame to a daily or a weekly. The idea is you select if you have your trading ideology clear in mind, right? If you are a moving average trader or a RSI or a Ichimoku, it's as simple as just selecting the pre-created options which are there. It will scan in real time, and you don't have, so it will just tell you which are the stocks which has met those criteria. So just for sample, I just selected, tell me the stocks in which 5-day EMA is crossing 12-day EMA, right? So you get 42 stocks here. Now if you want to add some more conditions to it, suppose tell me the stocks in which price is above the upper body of the band also, with this condition, right? So this is a small strategy or a rule I am creating right now. So it scans the market and it tells you, like this, there are 5 stocks across all the stocks listed in. So you don't have to go chart by chart and see this. Same thing we can apply for Ichimoku, right? Which are the stocks which are crossing Kumo top or something, I can do that. Right? So
what I think, like there was a strategy if you learned a trend following system yesterday, you know that trend should be confirmed and then Bollinger Band should be crossed for a signal trading. So this is one example. So the moment trend is crossed, trend is confirmed and Bollinger Band is crossed, then probably that tells you that you should put the pivot breakout point somewhere. So it can give you a okay, these are the 5 stocks you have, and then you can open the charts. So basically your hard work of screening out is totally taken care by this. And even if you're not in front of the system, this will send you an alert in SMS web in real time in the live market, wherever you are. So in whichever form you are going to receive, SMS, email or web alert, it will send you, so that you are aware of it and start watching or taking action on the stocks concerned. Instead of watching it all the time for a technical signal to trigger, especially if you are trading in different time frames for different stocks and you have different strategies, then it becomes more essential to keep a permanent, screener to screen all these happenings in the live market.
So as Anurag told, this is just a template to tell the system how you want to receive the SMS, right? So you may not be in front of your computer may be switched off. You can just tell it during what hours you want to automatically scan, and you can tell for what stocks you want to scan, and it will automatically send you SMS. So, and once you receive SMS, you can see the chart just for confirmation if you want. So you don't have to scan hundreds of stocks. If your trading system you want, otherwise it takes a lot of time to scan hundreds of stocks. All
time. Just choose different time frames and it will work on different time.
So if all your trading system
different time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you can choose a time frame of the choice in next second.
If it's not visible here, so it's 5:50, you have to choose the time frame. And then we have the other option where if you want to have a multi-time frame sort of a view, right? So like if you're a hardcore trader of a Bollinger Band or a moving average, we have dedicated screeners for that, in which multi-time frame screening can be done in one shot. Exactly. So RSI I have to activate here. Like that, how you see Bollinger Band 86 MACD, like that RSI will be activated in my account. So this is if in RSI I want to just to give an example of moving average, I can try to see, tell me the stocks in which say 5 is crossed, or maybe let's take a case of 8 crossing 34, right? I think in yesterday's seminar it was covered. And on which tick you want to go, daily, weekly, any tick you can see. So, but I want to Multi also. So now once I see the result, it will tell you the view for other also. See that green color is saying the moving average in 15 minutes is also above, 30 is also above, 60 is also above. So in one view you want to like, in daily it's crossing on this tick, but in other ticks also it shows you a graphical view. So this is like for moving average, same way you can have for Ichimoku also. Like you want to see a Kumo top breakout across all times, otherwise we were just like seeing a 30-minute chart then going back to 60. Here in like, if I want to see a Kumo, this is a Kumo top breakout strategy on a daily tick if I want to see. And it all works on real-time data. It's telling me these are the stocks in which Kumo top breakout is there. Just 3 stocks. And other view also you can see. In 60 minutes also it gives the idea.
The cursor there,
It will guide.
currency count is above or not, what is happening. So you get a multi-time view simultaneously across all.
So it's above the Kumo top in all the time frames, and in the daily time frame, the Kumo in this candle it's breaking the Kumo.
So there is it is mentioning there, it may not be clear, but if you go to the level second row, it will tell you that Chicago is also green. So Chicago is also above the cloud, while that is also above the cloud. So it tells you both the position.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, so the breakout has taken place in the cloud in daily time frame. It also tells you Chicago is above the cloud. It also tells you what is happening in Kumo and Chicago in other time frames also. Yeah, the red one is showing about
Future, it's showing future cloud.
Future cloud color.
Future is red. Future cloud.
Future cloud color, the future cloud, there is a future cloud at the same time. That crossover, the SSA is below and SSP is above. That's why the color is red.
Weekly is there. The last one is weekly. Monthly is oh, it's not added.
It's not added. Yeah.
No one has asked about it, so we can add monthly.
Yeah. So far, the traders were using the maximum time frame, the reference time frame for.
So this is like a Ichimoku, like that we have for Bollinger. Like this is for people who use a particular indicator for across time frame. Otherwise, one screener is where all the things are under one.
Yeah.
So
there is a custom requirement of multiple indicators in multiple time frames, and that can be custom because these are the users who have a general requirement. MACD in different time frames. I am already on 60 minutes. I am looking for a 15 minutes. Then I enter. So that kind of people came to.
The other part which we want to highlight is we also have a pattern recognition sort of a library. Like all these Western patterns are automatically like Bollinger Band, M pattern, W pattern, divergences are automatically scanned. So whatever, so that's.
And this library we keep on adding on the like tomorrow we'll program or something else. Then it will keep adding this library.
So there are a lot of features here. We can cover one on one if you want to see. Options, we have a dedicated module on complete options. We support dedicated like more than 50 ready-made strategies. Which is the best strategy to buy on Nifty, or which is the best long term that you can do on any stock. It does all the analysis on the fly and it tells you the best. So this
basically suggests you which is the optimum at this point based on volatility, but you can always edit those. Those are like this is telling you to do this, and it tells you the payout diagram, it draws all that, and it gives you even a calculator where you can use it to adjust. Suppose you forecasting, if you take on strategy price calculator, then it will tell you that suppose tomorrow for this strategy the stock price goes to here. Suppose for example if I do a calculator goes 180 to 190 in 2 days time, what will be the value of this strategy? So I can forecast, or if it goes down so much, how can I use? So you are not looking till expiry, you have a very short term horizon with a 2 days target of this price. So you can have a 2 days target for your entries and exit for the strategy also. So we can work, so this is strategy price forecasting calculator, which can, as the strategy can be your choice. Basically, number of combinations can be from anywhere from any of the 15,000 documented option strategies. 50 which you are documented, if you have written there,